Assalamu alaikum. Here is Shabnum with English news. First headline. An accountability court in Karachi has approved the bail plea of former Sindh Chief Minister Qaim Ali Shah in the ongoing inquiry in an alleged illegal appointment. The Lahore High Court summoned the secretarial local government Punjab while hearing petition of local government representatives for the extension of their tenures. Prime Minister Imran Khan has been inducted into the list of most admired men in the world. According to the details, the British market research company has released the first list of the most appreciated men in the year 2021. Prime Minister Imran Khan is ranked 17th on the list due to his impressive personality. NASA's solar probe is the first ever to touch the atmosphere of the Sun. The space agency, in its statement, said that Parker's solar probe flew through the Sun's atmosphere and managed to sample particles and magnetic fields in April. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.